अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, इस वक्त हम खड़े हुए हैं कलात शहर में और कलात शहर को विज़िट करें और वहाँ पे खान ऑफ कलात का वो पुराना किला जो अर्थक्वेक की वजह से तबाह हो गया था वो ना देखें तो ये ट्रिप अधूरा रहता है। तो दोस्तों इस वक्त हम खड़े हुए हैं खान ऑफ कलात के किले में। जैसे कि मैंने आप दोस्तों को बताया था कि ये जो नज़ारे हैं, ये जो मनाजिर हैं, हमें दिखाने में हमारे यहाँ के दोस्त हैं जिन्होंने हमें गाइड किया, सपोर्ट किया। मैं अदा शेर मोहम्मद लांगो और अदा अब्दुल गफ़ार लांगो यहाँ के दोस्त हैं, इनकी मेहरबानी से तो हिडन जेम्स ऑफ बलोचिस्तान को मैं आप दोस्तों के सामने पेश कर रहा हूँ। तो चलते हैं हम इस किले की तरफ और पूरे किले को विज़िट करते हैं और जो भी खूबसूरत मंजर हैं वो भी हम दोस्तों को दिखाते हैं और साथ ही साथ हम शहर का व्यू आप ये सामने देख रहे हैं, ये कलात का शहर है, ये नज़ारा आप चेक करें। The history of Fort of Kalat. I'm going to brief you for my British friends. The Khanate of Kalat, also known as the Balochistan Brahui Confederacy, was a Brahui Khanate that originated in the modern-day Kalat region of Pakistan, formed in 1666 due to the threat of Mongol expansions in the region. It controlled the wider Balochistan as its greatest extent in the mid-18th century, extending from the Kerman in the west of the Sindh in the east and from the Helmand River in the north of the Arabian Sea in the south. The Khanate of the Kalat lost considerable area to Qajar Iran and the Emirate of Afghanistan in the early 19th century, and the city of Kalat was itself sacked by the British in 1839. Kalat became the self-governing state in the subsidiary alliance with the British Indian after the signature of the Treaty of Kalat by the Khan of Kalat and the Brahui Sardar in 1875, and the supervision of Kalat became a task of a Balochistan agency. Kalat was briefly independent from 12th August 1947 until 27 March 1948 when its ruler Ahmedzai Khan acceded to Pakistan, making it one of the princely states of Pakistan. The Khanate of Kalat was the first unified polity to emerge in the history of Balochistan. It took birth from the confederacy of nomadic Balochistan and Brahui tribes in 1666, which under Mir Ahmed I declared independence from the Mughal suzerainty and slowly absorbed and Balochistan principalities of this region. If we go through the early background of the Khan of Kalat, according to the Brahui and Balochi traditions, Kalat was ruled by a Hindu ruler named Seva when they first conquered it. Historically, the regions surrounding Kalat were part of the Mughal province of Kandahar during the 17th century. During the region of the Shah Jahan, Mughal expansions reached its high point and caused the emergencies for the first time. A strong unified Baloch and Brahui confederacy of the Khanate of Kalat. Keep following my channel Hidden Gems with Sikandar. Inshallah, gradually I will show and brief you the hidden gems of Pakistan, especially I'm working in Balochistan and other provinces of Pakistan. So let me go now and subscribe my channel Hidden Gems with Sikandar. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.